in a couple of the videos that I've posted, well, both Marcello and myself have used the Drytron. So we thought we'd do an unboxing of the Drytron, and I'm going to pass you over to Marcello, who's going to show you what comes in each box and the actual way the system works. Over to you, Marcello.
Hi Wayne, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. When you receive the Drytron, you can find at first the base. This is the grid to protect from any contact from the panel, and we have for sure the power cord and the preheating phase.
So Marcello, the second box, what does that contain?
That contains the main stuff that
it's obviously all well packaged.
We call Drytron, and that's it.
So as you can see, it's really well packaged, and now this unit will actually sit onto the base, and we'll put that all together, and that's what you'll see next.
To assembly the Drytron, it's very simple. We have a power cord. We can put there. That's it. Protection grid at the front to prevent any contact from the catalytic panel. Then we have storage for the gas cartridge. Thank you, Wayne.
You're welcome.
You can put there and fix on the back. That's it.
Yeah, we're not going to put the gas actually into it on this one because we don't want to puncture the cylinder because it's a brand new cylinder.
Exactly.
What other features are there on this unit that you can tell us about that we need to know?
The Drytron, it's very, very comfortable stuff. With that lamp, we can dry every product from the filler, primer, base coat and clear coat in a few seconds. You think that way, as you did yesterday, we can dry the filler in less than 1 minute, ready to send.
Yeah, it works really quickly. It works very similar to, let me spin you around.
Right.
It works very, very similar to the units that you've seen us use in the fixed station, the large gas infrared lamps. So it's on the same sort of principle. You're not actually got a flame coming out. You've got the, I'm just looking at Marcello, you've got the panel heated up, and it's the heat that's the infrared curing system on it. Back over to you, Marcello.
Yes, we have on the front the catalytic panel with the gas powered for sure, that generate our special infrared waves without flame. We have pyrometer here, so we can check the temperature every time as we want.
And that's simply by pressing that button, isn't it?
Exactly. But one question, Wayne. Do you have a 9-volt batteries in your pocket?
Hey, here's one I got earlier.
So that is what we need. So, to do that, open this.
Really simple unit to open up, just slide straight back as you've seen there.
Fix the 9-volt battery here.
Fantastic.
That way. Press this.
Slips back in.
And now it's work. You can see the red laser light.
Yep.
In that way we can read the temperature at any time.
And what was the temperature of your hand?
Oh. I'm still alive. Okay.
You're pretty warm.
Yeah, pretty warm.
So you've seen us unbox the package and put it together, and you know how that part looks. Let us now tell you, or let's get Marcello to tell you, in his words, how to actually make the unit work itself. Over to you, Marcello.
Yes, Wayne, it's so simple. Everybody can do this. Put the main body on the preheating base.
Oh. So this is take number 3 now, because either I've stumbled on my words or Marcello stumbled on his words, and when we were almost had it perfect, my other phone beeped with a text. So we're going to go for it now, and we're going to get it right. Marcello, explain to us how you put this kit together so that the other and make it work so the others know.
Yes.
Let me spin you around. Go on, Marcello.
I'm ready for the 4th time.
Okay.
So no problem about that. Anyway, to use the Drytron, it's so simple, so everybody can do this. put the main body on the preheating base, press the preheating button, and when you hear a beep sounds, open the gas valve that way. In a few seconds the Drytron is ready to cure.
And this panel will get to what sort of temperature?
On the surface panel,
Yes.
or maybe 400 degrees. Thank you, Wayne. To cure our filled area, the yellow masking tape, we use the Drytron around the filler just to cover 100% the surface, the product surface. Remember to check sometimes each 10 seconds the temperature. Remember, for the filler the curing limits is 100-105. When you reach the temperature, that's it.
So that's it, and then we should cool that panel down afterwards?
For sure, for sure.
So that's what you want to do. It's really straightforward and simple. Just a quick talk through. The yellow tape is where we would have had some filler work. We're just replicating that. You put the Drytron onto the unit. You'd move it around slowly, constantly checking the temperature using the adjuster on the temp gauge on the top there and the laser. And that you want to reach sort of 100, 105 degrees for not more than 1 minute.
Right, exactly.
Perfect. Have you got another tip? Where else can this product be used?
We're still working on a metal panel. It's a door, so it's metal panel. We can use the Drytron as the same, for example, on a plastic bumper. Same temperature, same distance, same time.
And no effects to the plastic bumper?
Absolutely no.
Fantastic. Great. So check out our other videos. Thank you to Marcello for talking us through that. Any questions, more than welcome to DM me, get hold of SYMACH and ask them themselves. But that gives you an insight into the SYMACH Drytron dryer. Thank you.
I dry the filler completely 100% with SYMACH Drytron, the handable lamps, and after that I cool down just to reach maybe 30 degrees, and then we sand with P120.
Fantastic.